Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to create a deep clone of an object in JavaScript. Deep cloning ensures that all nested properties of an object are copied, not just the references. Let's get started. Deep cloning is essential when working with complex objects to avoid unintentional mutations. Unlike shallow cloning, it ensures that all nested properties are fully copied. This function creates a deep clone by recursively copying nested objects. It also ensures that arrays are properly handled by updating their length and converting them to new arrays. The cloning process starts with a shallow copy and recursively handles nested objects. If the input is an array, it ensures the clone structure remains an array with the same properties. Analysis. The deep clone preserves nested structures, ensuring the modifications to the original do not affect the clone. Arrays are also cloned correctly with the nested objects copied. Deep cloning has practical applications in state management, especially in frameworks like React. It is also useful for processing data and creating backups before modifying objects. To summarize, deep cloning is a crucial technique for working with nested objects and arrays. It ensures data integrity and is widely used in various programming scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.